Them other niggas love tricking on some BMX shit, but not me. Now I'm sure you done heard about me. A black star, most deaf quietly. Good, so them bad hoes try me. They try me. This is Martin Luther King.
19 points a game this season against the Lakers. Not good enough.
And she down for whatever. In the back of his mind is